For my next video, I'd like to do an unboxing and setup and installation of an AMS Pro2 from Bambu Labs. And I'm coupling this with my P2S 3D printer. So this is the AMS, it holds the filaments, 4 filaments, and this is the second one I'm getting, so I now have 8 filaments that I can use and make different colors with 8 different ones. So let's dig into the unboxing here. It's pretty simple. They do a great job, Bambu, of boxing their material and keeping it all nice and neat. So when you get your P2S, this, if you get the combo kit, this comes inside the P2S versus this one is an external one, an extra one. I shouldn't say external. It's all external. So let's go ahead and take the wrap off. And we get the destruction manual on the top. Nothing of any real great importance. It's pretty self-explanatory, and if it isn't, watch this video. It's going to really help you out. I have the external fan on the back of my P2S, and I haven't seen one video where they show you what to do if you have your external fan also attached. So this is going to be, as far as I know, the only one out there so far. So we'll take the plastic off. Here's another piece. Again, Bambu does a great job in shipping their items. Okay, we're going to unlock it, open it up, and we get another packet. And in this one, what do we have here? Okay, we have some extra tubing, power cord, desiccant packs, and they give you extra desiccant packs for this unit because you want your filament dry. I suggest printing the desiccant packs. They already have 2 in the back. Like I said, I suggest printing my desiccant boxes that actually go inside the AMS, and you can change out your desiccant instead of having it just all pre-done. But it's a nice touch. They give you extra packs to fit in the back because, again, you want your filament dry. Wet filament will make pops and weird sounds and it won't print correctly, so you want it as dry as you can get. I always recommend 20. Some people say 20 to 30, but I like to get it at least around 20. So it depends where you live too. If you live in Florida, you're going to get a pretty wet environment, so you put both of your desiccant packs there. There's another. Those are the 4 slots where the filament goes into. 2 more extra desiccant packs. We'll put that aside. And we're going to show how to install this. So that's the unboxing. Okay. So here is my desiccant packs fell out. Okay. So on the back of my printer, if you notice the white part, that's the auxiliary fan that I printed and installed. You really should have an extra fan on the back of your printer. It also goes into, in there is a kit to absorb the potent material. So anyway, stop talking here. Feed tube goes directly into the back. There's an open feed tube. Power goes into the AMS2 unit, the external one, and then we can put it one of 2 places. We can put it on the first AMS unit, or into the auxiliary fan port, which I opted to do. Okay, now I have the power. I have the external power cord that allows me to dry and print at the same time. If you don't have that, and it just ended real quick, if you don't have that, you're not going to be able to dry and print. So I opted to put that in the external one. So I need another external power adapter so I can dry and print, because you can't do both at the same time. So that is basically it. That's my unboxing and how to install it with the external fan that is also, I should have did a video on that by itself, but that's it. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.